Hey everyone! Have you ever wanted to upscale a photo, or maybe you have some old pictures that are a little blurry? Well, I found this awesome free tool called AI Image Upscaling that uses artificial intelligence to make your images up to 4 times bigger and clearer. You just upload your image, and the AI does its magic. You can even choose some extra options like face restoration if the people in your photo look a little weird after upscaling, or a repair mode for pictures that are really blurry. I decided to test it out with this meme of Kai's sweet home I found. The original image is pretty small, but let's see what the AI can do. Wow, look at that! The image is 4 times bigger, but it still looks sharp and clear. It's like magic. This tool is perfect for all sorts of things. You can use it to make old photos look better, enlarge thumbnails for your website, or even create high-resolution images for printing. And the best part, it's completely free. No need to sign up or create an account. Just upload your image and let the AI do the rest. If you want to try it out yourself, I'll leave a link to the website in the description below. Be sure to let me know in the comments what you think of this tool and what you plan to use it for. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.